Hello everyone, this is Nisha Sharma in front of you all. So my today's video is for the students of 5th standard, where I'll be teaching you chapter 5 from grammar, which is articles. So please be ready with your notebook, pen and your Grammarite book for today's class. See, an article is a word that defines a noun as a specific or non-specific. ठीक है, ये तो आपको पहले भी पता था and you can also see here also it is mentioned. So now see, the English language has two types of articles. First is indefinite and second one is definite. Indefinite मतलब अनिश्चित and definite मतलब निश्चित. So here you can see that indefinite articles are used to modify non-specific or non-particular nouns. These are a and n. Like for example, you can see here, I would like to have dinner at a restaurant, any restaurant. It is not specifying the name of the restaurant or any particular, like it's not non-specific. And second, this thing you can see, the definite articles is used to refer to specific or particular nouns. Again, you can see here an example. I ate at the best restaurant in town. So there are many restaurants in town, but I ate at the best. So hope you have understood that here it is not specifying, and indefinite it is specifying noun. Okay. Now see here, we use a and an before singular nouns. We all know that. The can be used for both singular and plural nouns. Okay, as it is like definite. Radha planted an orchid in her backyard. I have the same watch you are wearing. Wearing actually. How did you make the cookies you sent me? We use a with words beginning with consonant sounds. We use n with words beginning with vowel sound. We all know what are vowels, a, e, i, o, u, and rest alphabets are consonant. Now here you can see this is very important. Please pay attention to this. A university, although u is a vowel, it has the sound of the consonant y. है ना, university. So here pronunciation में देखो कि जब हम बोल रहे हैं तो उसका sound क्या आ रहा है. U से begin है जो कि vowel है, but यहाँ पे हम university बोल रहे हैं तो यहाँ y है ना. That's why हम a यूज कर रहे हैं, because you can have that question in your mind कि हम जब vowel है इसके आगे n यूज करेंगे, जैसा कि अभी हमने यहाँ पे पढ़ा था यहाँ पे, लेकिन यहाँ पे फिर भी हम a का यूज कर रहे हैं, है ना. So please don't get confused. And r, now see, n r, although h is a consonant, it is silent and the word begin with the vowel sound of a and r. So n, y and r, h is here silent, है ना. H is silent here. So that is why we are using n before r. It's not har, it's r, है ना. So next see, we also use the when we have already mentioned the noun before. For the example, see, for an example it is given, she has got 2 children, a boy and a girl. The girl's 4 and the boy is 6 years old. The can be used with uncountable noun. Example again, see, he slipped the soup from his bowl all over the floor. Sometimes the can be omitted, as in this sentence, see, he slipped soup all over the floor. So here see, the is omitted. Next you can see here, we use the article the before the following. Ordinal numbers, इसके पहले हम the use करेंगे, जैसे the second, the last. Superlative degrees of comparison में we use the before, this is the worst, the shortest. Names of unique things, जैसे the earth, the sun, the sky. Names of nationalities, races and communities, the Australians, the Sri Lankans. Name of countries that have a common noun in their names, like expect the Philippines, okay, like the United States, the Netherlands, ऐसे में, okay. Names of mountain ranges and deserts, the Alps, the Thar desert, okay. Names of rivers, seas and oceans. The Arctic Ocean, the Brahmaputra. River या ocean, दोनों में से कोई भी. Names of important buildings, the Qutub Minar, the Taj Mahal also you can say, है ना. Names of newspaper and holy books, the Hindustan Times, the Quran. Okay. So these were some explanations and like with example. Please read it out so you'll understand more and more. Now see omissions of articles. Omission, what like where we don't use articles, that is called omission of articles. Like people or place except when the country has a common noun in its name. जैसे Peter, Pakistan, the United Kingdom. Then islands except in the case of a group of islands, जैसे Greenland, the Andaman Islands. Lakes except in the case of a group of lakes, for example Pichola, the Great Lakes. Mountain except in the case of mountain ranges, Mount Everest, the Himalayas. We usually do not use an article when we are speaking about meals of the day, right? He has breakfast at home. He has the breakfast नहीं बोलेंगे हम. He has breakfast at home. We also do not use an article when we are speaking about languages, sports and academic subjects, है ना. इसमें भी हम नहीं, जैसे English is fun, the English is fun नहीं बोलेंगे हम, या a English is fun we will not say. I enjoy playing football, the football नहीं. Father loves geography, तो the geography नहीं. So these are the omissions of articles. Okay. So students, you'll be getting all the book work in PDF form. Please make sure you do that also. So hope you have understood this chapter, and if you have any problem, any doubt regarding it, you can ask me. Rest I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe. Take care. Thank you.